This is Lenovo Tab P11 Gen 2, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So to start, you can swipe downwards from the right part or right half of your status bar, which launches the control panel. From here, find and touch and hold at the internet shortcut. Then, assuming the fact that you are connected to the Wi-Fi network that you would like to share, just tap on it like that. Then at the following network details page, click at the share option. And in here, you will be provided with the actual Wi-Fi password over here and the QR code that you can further scan with any other device and get it automatically connected to the chosen Wi-Fi network. Alrighty, so that will be it. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.